So I am the melanated homemaker, and I am currently, I just got done washing dishes, and something that gets on my nerve is when my dish rags get, I make chocolate chip cookies and brownies, so the stuff stains. So I always have to do what I call a manual little dish wash for my dish towels, and it's disgusting. Even if I bleach them, it's just something about seeing a dish rag look nasty. So Walmart had gave me a coupon code, and I ordered something. It looks similar to the ones I had before. So we're gonna open them bad boys up. These are my old dish rags that I had for years, and they've been bleached, and they actually look green, but they were like a dark gray. And it looks, look, wait a minute, this got a tag on them, 100% cotton, 100% cotton. These are now cleaning rags, right? So I have some new ones from Walmart, and I had $10 off 15. So I bought these rags, and I bought me some more large, extra large, really fat glue sticks because I needed some more of those. I cannot stand when my rags get nasty like that. Let's open these up and see how these look. They are so thin. Like, I don't know if they like did like a vacuum seal or something. They're thin. It's supposed to be, I think, 6 towels. Let me get my tripod. So these I bought before on Amazon. They were a little bit thicker. These are a little bit thinner, but I actually like that. I just want to make sure that they pull up water. You know how you wash your counters, but it just rolls water around? I like the ones that really pick up water. So hopefully they work. I'll let you know how these work out for me. I ended up paying about $5, $6 for these and the glue sticks. The glue sticks were $9. These were 7 and some change. So you had to spend 15 to get $10 off. So technically I only spent $6 for these, all of these dish rags, and the big glue sticks. And these are the big ones. These are the ones I use in the big fat ones. And to get these are usually pretty expensive, and they were on sale for $8.99. So yep, that's what I got. Using my Walmart gift code from them messing up my order, I always call and they make it right by giving me a code, and I save money buying other things I need. Out with the old, ugh, in with the new. Yeah, looks so much better. So much better.